goal of this lesson is to learn how to complete a square by converting it from standard form to vertex form. Vertex form is y equals ax minus h squared plus k. This tells us the vertex and the direction of opening. Standard form is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. This tells us the direction of opening and y-intercepts. We can start by looking at the original equation, which is y equals x squared plus 4x minus 18. Because there are no a values that can be factored, we can go straight to step 2, which is to add b divided by 2 squared and subtract b divided by 2 squared. We now have x squared plus 4x plus 2 minus 18, and this can be broken into two parts. The first part will create x plus 2 squared. The second part is simple math, which will equal negative 20. Now we should look at vertex form. Our complete square is y equals x plus 2 squared minus 20. Vertex form is y equals ax minus h squared plus k. So we know that a equals 1, h equals negative 2, and k equals negative 20. So we can now determine our vertex, because h is the x value and k is the y value. So k is negative 2, so our x value will be negative 2. K is negative 20, so we will have negative 20. Final vertex is negative 2, negative 20. If there is a negative or a value that is not 1, we need to factor it out. We can do this by changing all the signs or divide every term by a. You can see here that if the term were to leave the bracket, it would get hit by the positive a value at the beginning of the bracket. So, we just need to make sure that every term gets hit by the a value every time something enters or leaves the bracket, meaning that the sign would change or we would divide or multiply.